Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. I need a one dance. Gotta Hennessy.
Hello, everybody. I look a mess, so ignore me. We're at Walmart. We're doing what's cooking tonight, so we're getting stuff for that. I'll tell you guys what we're making soon. Yeah. Hey, bro. Hey. Hi, Pooh. We see those teeth trying to come in? Yeah, for sure. Hey. Do it. Sit. Okay, so we're back at home and we're cooking chili and making caramel apple rings. Like, this is a great Saturday. Exciting, delicious. I'm excited. What's cooking? Let's get it started. Hey, hey, hey. Okay, so this is the pot that I'm using. Those are the ingredients that I'm using. I start and I mix up my ground beef. I put a little bit of seasoning in it before it starts to brown. There's Kyle. Rest of my ingredients. Oh, I forgot to add the little chili powder packet that I used, but I did put that in there as well. For my caramel apples, I just used regular caramel sauce and these cool little apple circles that I saw at the store. Just dip them in there, you know, dip, and put them on this little tray that I'm gonna put inside the fridge. There's the little small samples we did. I put a little bit of ground cumin, a little bit more in there, and I stir it up. It's starting to brown now, so I've already added my chili powder. Next is my sauce, and then I have to add my beans, and it's looking good. I add my cheese. When I tell y'all the kitchen was smelling great, oh my goodness. I mixed my cheese. And boom, end result, sour cream on top. It was so good, oh my gosh. All right, guys, and that's this segment of what's cooking. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment, all that good stuff, and we'll see you soon.